and welcome to day 5 of your Party Like a Rockstar training. I hope you guys are excited to take everything that you've learned this week and implement it into day 5. Now there is a lot on day 5, right? You've got some tasks. Some of y'all maybe have been working on these tasks throughout the week. Maybe, some of y'all haven't had time during the week because most people work during the week. Totally get it. So I'm not going to have a 6 p.m. worksheet post. I will have a different post at 6 p.m. But what I will let you know is that this will be due at 6 p.m. Sunday night, okay? 6 p.m. Eastern, you will have a worksheet post. And I hope you guys post your progress and actually do the thing. Because today, you get the opportunity of doing the thing. On another note, your first task, which is messaging 30 people to book your parties, don't forget to check out the scripts that I gave you yesterday. Those will give you the tools to succeed, especially if you're at 0 bookings right now. I want to see people go from 0 to 2 bookings. So for those of you that have time to go through and message your 30 people today, I want to see your wins. So as you start booking your parties, I want you to come back to the group. I want you to make a post and let us know what win you got. If you booked 2 parties, make a post about it. If you booked 4 parties, make a post about it. If you messaged 30 people and you overcame your fear of messaging people out of the blue, make a post about it. We're gonna approve it and we're gonna celebrate you. Today, we're gonna celebrate everybody that went through the challenge and everybody that completed it and took something from this week. So I hope you guys are ready to do some doing. Comment below and let me know, what did you take from this week that you think that you will implement into your business? All right, so I will see you guys later for the 12 p.m. post. Bye guys.